factory of 292. So 292, it can be written as 2 times 146. 2 times 146 means 292. So 146, it can be written as 2 times 73. 2 times 73 means 146. So now we select the prime numbers in all these numbers. So prime numbers are 2, 2 and 73. So we can write 292 is equal to product of all these prime numbers, that is 2, like as 2, and this 73. So this much for today, and thanks for watching.